Hello, Ozark Middle School families. One of the questions we've fielded lately is how do I pick up my kiddo, or how do I enter the campus when school has already started, or if I need to pick up my kiddo from school early for either a doctor's appointment or a dentist appointment or whatever that may be at the end of the day. So we wanted to add some clarity to that. When you enter the campus, we have two entrances. The main entrance you'll use in the AM and PM to pick up your kiddo, but also throughout the day, we have the second entrance. This second entrance cuts off all of the back loop and allows you to loop directly in along the island parallel to NN. You can park closest to NN and then walk on into the building to either pick up your kiddo early or to make sure that you're able just to come to the campus for any type of visitation. And hopefully this adds some clarity for if you're going to visit the campus throughout the day or if you had to pick up your kiddo early from school. Thank you so much, and let's have a great year.